Hello and welcome to our video for the release notes of ALLTO PythonParts version 2.4. Firstly, thanks to our partner in Brazil, Portugal will add it into all PythonParts. We can go to Settings and change favorite language to Portuguese. And the change will be applied after we restart ALLPLAN. In Wall Reinforcement PythonParts, some requirement for a filter that have to switch direction of the session, so we add this. In default, the Wall Reinforcement PythonParts will create the session with the direction like this. We can tick to the checkbox to change the direction of the session. And here the result. To create opening reinforcement for a wall has more than one layer, we can tick to the checkbox and type the thickness of the opening and see the result. In default, the beam reinforcement PythonPart will cut and lap the main rebar like this. To run rebar like this, tick to the checkbox. The same for the bottom main rebar. Go to Settings, Run, to define the run distance. And see the result here. Besides that, new PythonParts are released in this version. The first one, 2D Axis Grid PythonParts, which can help you to create 2D axis for your sessions. Firstly, I will open the PythonParts interface. Then import the Axis Grid into the tool. Name for the axis. Click to the button and click to the sections to create axis. Click again to confirm. We can select axis, symbol and label properties at the right side. Now, with this PythonParts, you don't need to spend too much time to calculate and manually draw these axes. The second new PythonParts is Custom Attributes PythonParts. In this version, this PythonParts can help you to add new attributes for the elements in ALLPLAN. This will help you in case you need some attributes which cannot be exported belong to the IFC files. Here select elements to add new attributes. Tick to add and select attribute and value for this attribute as well. Attributes data can be added from ALLPLAN. An attribute value can be customized also. In the future, some new features will be added, and of course, we'll have to save more time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.